Welcome to Adom Home Cooking. Today we are preparing banana and kenkey milkshake. So these are my ingredients for preparing banana and kenkey milkshake. I have my kenkey here. I have my banana, fresh milk, and my food processor. So all I'm going to do is I've rinsed the food processor, everything already. I washed the banana, so my hand is clean. I'm just going to take half of the kenkey. So it's just like making mashed kenkey. So I'm going to pour some of my milk, pour some milk in a cup, a glass of milk, fresh milk. If you don't have the fresh milk, you can just put some needle in, make your own fresh milk by adding some needle to cold water, cold drinking water, and then you put your kenkey in. I'm just using half of the kenkey. So if you are making only a kenkey mash or kenkey milkshake, you use sugar to sweeten it, but this time we decide to sweeten it with banana. So I put my kenkey in first, then I peel my banana and just put it in. This banana is really big, so I'm not going to add all of it. It's a very quick snack. It can also be given to babies, to wean your babies. If you are going to give it to babies, you mix it with their drinking their milk. So here we are. Our banana milkshake is ready. No sugar. See? You can have this to break your fast. When you are doing your fasting, you can have this after your fasting before you have your main meal. It's very nice. It's very sweet. You don't need to add any sugar. So I'm just going to pour it here and consume it within a couple of hours, because you know banana, if you keep it for so long, it might discolor. So you can just make it fresh and have it straight away, or just keep it for a couple of hours. It's very healthy, no sugar. So enjoy Adom Home Cooking banana and kenkey milkshake.